Hi everyone! Today, I'll show you how to quickly replace a placeholder video in your Canva template with your own footage. Start by opening your Canva project. For this demo, I'm using a cat template. To replace the default video, first upload your own video to the Canva library or choose one from the stock library. Let's go to the Elements, search for a cat video. Browse the options and select one that fits your needs. Click and drag the new video directly over the existing placeholder frame. To ensure the most important part of your video is visible, double-click the new clip to enter crop mode. Adjust the framing. Click then to save. Preview the video to see the updated result. The new clip now plays seamlessly in the template, replacing the original content. And that's it! If this helped, leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more time saving Canva tips. Happy editing!